welcome to another video. In this one, as you have seen, we are going to be doing practice 4. We're going to be doing the last 4 ones because you have been asking me a few questions about this one, so I decided to make this video and we can speak about them, and I can explain a few important things about these ones. Okay, so as you can see in this one is an equations first degree, and we have brackets and we have the denominators. So we are gonna be using the same rules as we have been using before, but the first thing that we are gonna be doing in this case is the brackets, because you know BIDMAS, so that is the priority. So we are gonna be doing these brackets and these brackets with the denominators, and after that we will carry on with the rest of the equations. Okay, so we are gonna leave this fraction and we are gonna do the brackets. And in this case, as you can see, if I want to add this one, so we need to have the same denominator, the common denominator, which is going to be 3. So this is going to be the same, and then this one is going to be 3. Okay, and then this is going to be the same, this one as well, because it's outside the brackets. And then here I am going to do the operation that I have inside the brackets, and in this case is subtraction, so I need to have the same denominator again, which is going to be 3. Okay, so this is the first step. As you can see, I've just done the operation that I have in the brackets, because this is BIDMAS. Okay, so we need to follow the order of the operations. And now the next step, we're going to keep the same, the rest of the things, and we are just going to simplify the brackets. Okay, so as you can see, I've just put the same fraction for both of them, and now I can simplify. I can do this in the next step. Okay, so we're gonna stop here. As you can see, to be honest, you don't really need to do this step. You can just do this one and then from here move to here. Okay, but I decided to do this one as well just in case. But you can, when you are confident with this, you can just move, and you don't need to write all the steps down. Okay, so now this one is simplified and then this one is simplified, so we can just do the operation that we have, because we cannot do anything inside the brackets because we have done everything that we could do. So now we are gonna do these multiplications, and you can see these are fractions. So when we multiply fractions, we need to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominators by denominators. So this is gonna be like this. Okay, so in this one, you can see that it's just 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2, 6, and then 5 times 3, 15. And then in this one, the same, okay? 3 times both of them, and then 4 times 3, 12, okay? Perfect. So now we have this step for the equation. So now the next one is gonna be finding the common denominator, okay? Between 15 and 12. So this one is like a big one, and it's gonna be 120. Okay, and as you can see, we need to do the denominator in all of them. Okay, so now 15 times 8 is 120, so we need to multiply by 8 both terms, so it's gonna be 24x plus 48. Okay, and then here it was 1, so this is gonna be 120x, and then this one is, we have multiplied by 10, so we need to multiply by 10 all of them. Okay, and now the good news is that we have the same denominator in everything, so we can remove these ones and we can just do like a normal equation. Okay, so you can just copy them down like this, or Okay, so as I said before, you can just you don't really need to do this step, and you can just start like rearranging all the equation. Okay, so we are gonna just do the method from here that we have done many times. Okay, so on the left we are gonna have 54x, and on the right we are gonna have this. Okay, so x is gonna be if we divide this one, the solution is -2, so this one is done, and we have the final solution for the equation. Okay, so this is the first one that we were going to do. Okay, so the only important thing is that when you have this type of equation with brackets and denominators, so you need to do the brackets first and then just follow all the steps. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I will do the next ones in the following video.